The owners of Spokane's RiverPark Square parking garage will not be charged with manslaughter. The county prosecutor announced today there is not enough evidence to prove Jo Ellen Savage's death was a crime. Savage was killed when her car fell from the 5th floor of the garage 3 years ago. KXLY4's Erik Loney spoke to the prosecutor and Savage's family members who are not pleased with the decision.
Yeah, Jo Ellen Savage's ex-husband David Savage is an attorney down in Pullman, and he tells me that he does not believe his ex-wife's death was thoroughly investigated enough, and he believed that charges should have been filed. Well, we spoke to Steve Tucker today, too, and he told us that he had enough information, and he feels that this was a tragic accident, not a crime. Jo Ellen Savage died 3 years ago when her car fell from the 5th floor of the RiverPark Square parking garage. Her Subaru wagon hit an exterior barrier that gave way, and she fell to the on-ramp below. Spokane County Prosecutor Steve Tucker looked at the case to see if the owners and operators of the garage were negligent or reckless and should be charged with manslaughter for her death.
It's just too difficult to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that somebody had a criminal hand in this, and the criminal charges should be filed.
Tucker did not conduct his own investigation, but reviewed documents collected by federal prosecutors who were investigating if there was any fraud with how the garage was financed. Tucker and a review by the State Attorney General's office came to the same conclusion.
There's not enough evidence to tie somebody criminally to somebody driving through the wall.
But Jo Ellen Savage's ex-husband David, a Pullman attorney, says he's unhappy with Tucker's decision because he said it wasn't the product of a full, fair, impartial, and robust review of the evidence. He says Tucker should have done more.
There was no complete and thorough criminal investigation.
Former California police detective Ron Wright agrees. He's followed this case and alleges the garage's owners were criminally negligent because they ignored reports that found problems with the barriers.
They were told, don't trust the barriers. Even though they may meet standard, you have a problem. They're failing.
But Tucker says his decision was based partially on the fact that the walls did meet building codes.
Proving somebody's criminally negligent or reckless as to the construction of the walls when they meet code is going to be hard to give to a jury.
Now, since the crash, the garage has placed metal plates along those exterior walls to make them safer. And the insurance company for the garage did settle with the Savage family before they even filed a lawsuit just months after the crash for more than $1.6 million. Reporting live, Erik Loney, KXLY4 HD News.